Hey, what's up YouTubers? Lush here with a lawn care video. So I got a problem with ticks in my backyard. I got a bunch of plants and bushes and trees, and the ticks are so bad that if my dogs brush up against the leaves and brush, they're bound to get like ticks on them, all right? So I went ahead and I bought this flea and tick yard spray from Vet's Best. All right. Main ingredient is peppermint. So instead of using some of the more harsh synthetic chemicals, I'm going to use this because my kids, my pets, myself are always in the backyard. So I want to go ahead and try this out. All right, all I got to do is connect that. Alright, quick recap of what I did. So I used this spray. I went ahead and sprayed my backyard, the bushes, the plants, part of the lawn. And the reason why I use this because it's supposed to be safer for pets and kids. It says it does kill mosquitoes, fleas, flea larvae, flea eggs, and ticks. Plus I have a swim pool. I'm sure you guys saw that. I got a swim pool in the backyard. I didn't want any of the overspray to get in the pool of any chemicals. If I got this in the pool, since it is supposed to be mostly natural, I figured that it would be much safer than using, you know, some other products like Ortho, Triazicide, or whatever synthetic insecticides are out there. So I'll check back in a few days to see if it actually worked. I mean, the ticks in my backyard are so bad, you literally can just go out there, brush up against the leaves, and the ticks will be on you or your pets. So we'll see how this works. I have used a peppermint oil insecticide in the past, and it did work, but it didn't last very long. So I guess that just since this is the main ingredient, or the main active ingredient, that you probably do the same thing, just spray more often. Those other synthetic lawn insecticides, they do claim that they last up to like 3 months or 6 months. Whenever you get a good rain, though, I'm sure it washes away everything. But anyways, this stuff was like 10 or 11 bucks on Amazon. I don't think that's too expensive. This is a small bottle. You can buy something from Home Depot, like one of the synthetic chemicals, for probably like 8 bucks for twice the size. But I chose this again because it's safer for my kids and my pets. So I'll let you know how this works out.